different room. So
Oh,
you're welcome.
shucks.
The people ask, we deliver. That's what we do, right, Coach Paul?
That's absolutely correct. Patriot. All right, there's news. See what
There
happens.
There's your
is
news.
the news.
I think we missed the.
Wow.
Wow. I don't know about that.
That's
That was kind of a
scary.
both-way direction.
Don't let them get you suckered into the downside though, guys.
No.
Don't. I'd have to be it'd have to be for me to be really convinced that they want to sell this market. It has to be below 7. I know that's ways down, guys, but 27 is my number. 6105 on the top side is my top number. For me to get really convinced on any direct on a hard longer term direction. Now, obviously, we are intraday traders, so we have rules to follow on an inside days. We get like 4 inside days in a row. 1, 2, 3 inside
Wow,
days in a row.
that was
Exciting.
ugly news. That was ugly news. Yes, or YM did a little more. I think no, same garbage.
Why you ugly?
I think we're at the max here. It's going to bounce. I don't trade what we think.
That's what you think is irrelevant.
Right.
Trade what we see, right?
I see that it's at the max.
I agree with Brian though. As long as
I thought I saw a pretty that.
I thought. I did.
I did. Oh, man.
well, that was
I
untradeable
would-
news for me.
Well,
I would probably be looking at this as a long market up to 6105, which is probably hard resistance.
I actually took a second leg.
On the long side.
On
Yes,
the
sir.
side.
When it
Nice.
reversed.
Well, why don't you tell us next time, Boss Hog, so we can all do it?
Well, nobody, didn't want nobody jumping in on that.
Yeah, I think that was smart.
It wasn't acting exactly like I
It
wanted
worked
it to
out
be.
for you, but it could easily.
Oh yes,
work out for you.
easily. I didn't want anybody to take a chance on it.
Maybe now, if you get a pullback.
Yeah. And you notice I did do it in micros. I'm not an idiot. I may act like one, but
May look like one too.
oh well. Yes,
Whoa.
I blame that.
That's true.
Shots fired.
He ain't got anything for that.
Guys, we're just
All right.
talking because we don't want you trading.
Exactly, people. Exactly.
You know what, Boss Hog? I'm gonna give you a call right now, buddy.
Okay, hold on. Let me get off here then. I will be back.
Well, it's just me and you, Scott.
It's just me and you.
I just posted something that explains the ticks to skip and everything.
Oh, okay. Let me look at that in a second. I'm just looking for a pullback here first. Let's see if there's something I can take. Maybe. Something like this overbought, but I kind of, that could be the little pullback you're going to get if that were the news move, but. Huh. Or it could be just a complete retrace of the move. How about that? Patriot, you sent me an email yesterday. I don't see. Oh, okay. I see it. It's got Patriot. Sorry, I almost called you by your name. I'll yeah, I'll take a look at it when I get a break here and reply to you. It was buried down in all my emails. Guys, be patient with me on emails because I get a bunch of them. I try to answer them as quickly as possible, but sometimes it takes me a little bit. All right. This is not going to give the pullback I want. If anything, it's a short.
Of course.
How do you handle all of us sending emails? I think you might have. Yes, I do get my share of them. I most definitely do. I just try to answer. I make time to answer them. I chunk out blocks to answer them, and sometimes I get just if I have a lot of coaching calls, it's hard, but I figure it out. Oh, this thing's dumping. I'm used to it, Chris. Yeah. Between that, the messages, the in-room messages, the text messages, the emails, smoke signals, carrier pigeons.
Yeah. You
Well. Oh.
All right. I plotted out what I'm looking for on the YM.
Explain.
When you look at the 15-minute chart and it hits the bottom here, if it's not planning on dumping past the bottom, it's going to bounce 3 times. So it's going to retest this area.
Right
know,
in the
test,
zone. Look at that. Right in the-
retest, and then it's going to do a higher. If it's actually bullish, it'll be higher right here and respect the high of the zone. So the second one respects the zone. It doesn't manipulate past it. It just goes right to the edge. This one manipulates it over here. So it's like a, progression. And so we're looking for that. Each one is a good move. Like this is the test here. You see how high it went. So if it doesn't make it past this high here, 96 ticks on the next move over here, then we can expect it to probably spend more time down here and probably manipulate us to get to the next zone. If it does this right here, it's gonna go. It's gonna be a monster. It was $1,000 move last night in one contract on the ES after it closed.
Nice. I missed all that. I killed it on the NQ though. So I was fine.
Gracie, I posted pictures of my volatility move set up for the, I do it in the morning for ES and YM.
You got a volatility move.
Getting a little W forming here.
I can move those whenever I eat a lot of greasy food. I call it the sacred duty.
I can hear you.
Okay, so it looks like we're getting a little W forming here. Off the zone here at the bottom
Scott,
here.
what'd you say?
Oh, Scott, I thought you were talking to me.
I said I call it the sacred duty.
Okay. Yeah, man, this is junky. So
It is junky.
Junky. I'm gonna do this for now, guys, until we get cancel. Let me do this.
Where are you at? Which one are you on? ES? YM?
AES. I'm gonna do this for now. Post that in till tomorrow. Tomorrow we should have the room for the grid, right, Coach Paul?
Yeah, I got to get with Miss Paulina as soon as we got a second here and figure all the logistics out. But yeah,
Hey, there we go. All right. And then we'll be by the grid, has access to it. Guys, you really don't need to have the room open. Just make sure you downloaded the app. But for now, this is what I'm doing. Very short term.
I want to pay with you everywhere.
Oh Lord, you need to go listen to that. Please, please, please. I am not up to that.
No, really. I want to pay with it.
Oh,
Right now.
oh,
Dude, I love him.
all right. That sounded a little better. Oh crap.
All right. A lot of good trials. You guys have been doing the kind of the overview of members area and stuff like that, right?
your little.
Yeah. You want me to do it again?
I don't know. Let's maybe wait until closer to 9.
Yeah, no reason to fasten your seatbelts and all this. Put your tables down, all that. Not yet. Or
Save
up,
us sound.
down, whatever.
You're free to run around the cabin, is what he's saying.
But keep your clothes on. Oh,
You're
here
right.
we go. Starting going down here.
Get green, get gone Friday.
Is it Friday already? Jeez. Where did this week go?
I mean, you got the you know, uh, tell me about the guys. Are we pushing down or up on the NQ? Is it
And
had doing the same
Hughes,
thing? As
I think
why
he's kind of
that's
chopping, but it's